Here's a 52-inch Armitage, one in white. This is 1 out of 2 fans. Picked this up because why not? And I never got any other fan video demonstrations on YouTube yet. So I decided to get one of those because who cares? It's pretty cheap. I know it's cheap, but I decided to get it just because why not? It came with a handmade broccoli box and the original menu. I'll show you fan number 2. This came out of the homeowner's house. I got it in the morning while heading to school. So, yeah. Let's see the fan. Has washed oak blades to white. Let's flush down it. See the wires. As you can see, the switch housing is very loose. So, for this purpose, there you can see the switch. So, yeah. Now we're going to demonstrate the fan, starting off with the light. If you can see, this is not the original bulb. Inside, it's supposed to have the one. Wait. That's like one like white in it, but that bulb burned out, so yeah. Anyways, we'll start the demonstration off. Here it is on low. This fan seems to have a bad capacitor on it. Like, I'm not even kidding. This fan is super slow. Switch housing is so loose. Relatively, it is. Sorry, the ladder. It is very loose, like you can tell by the chain swaying. Okay. Alright, that's Buffalo. Here it is, medium. I think that is medium. Can't tell. Speeds are like messed up on this. Something scraping against the housing. Light. And now for high. This actually wobble. Super loose. Not kidding. It actually is. Capacitor is bad. I think that is high. I think the first position was high and then it was medium. think that's medium. Say medium. Oh, the vibrating sound is good. And here's all. I'll just spin down. It's really cheap. Almost out of fan. It really is. Not the best fan, but whatever. So it's pretty much cheap. Like, it definitely is. It was kind of hard for me to put the wire on because they're held in by screws, not with thumbnail screws. Screws cyclically, so yeah. So sometimes it will not work on downdraft if you touch the house. So I'll reverse the fan. It's really in the light, so you can see. Alright. Here's it. Turn it on low. Okay. Reverse. This time. I think it has a scratch on it, but yeah, whatever. Oh, dang it. Okay. Here it is. The light's off. Turn the light on. See? Alright, chain is a little rough, so it was medium. Okay, that's high, so I turn it to medium. This, I think that is. So that's my belief. This. Okay, crap. I almost fell, sorry. If I got scared. Okay, that's high speed. May test the second one tomorrow, but not sure you when. Okay, hit. Okay, crap. Need to look inside the light. Oh, be right back. Okay, I'll turn it off this time. God. Okay, so I'll shut it off. Oops. I forgot that this fan actually has a chain. This. Oops, spin down. So, not sure how long it will take, but. So, I'm watching spin down. Okay, sorry if you guys did not see the full spin down. My dad actually went in the garage. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll put it back to downdraft. If you guys did not see the full spin, sorry if you guys didn't get a chance to see the spin down. Let's see. See if it works. Oh yeah, that works. Still works. So yeah. There you have it. There you are. Harbor Breeze Armitage, 1 out of 2 fans. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.